Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. So today in this tutorial we are discussing about a pattern program. From many days you people were asking me how we can print a name using stars. Here today in this tutorial we'll discuss about that. So today here we'll write the program for particular name or string. So it will work for the particular name or string only. And in the next tutorial, we'll try to write the general program by taking the user input. So today's program is only for particular name or string. We can print name using stars in different ways. The first way is we need to write down the pattern like this. Okay, if I want to print no, so I need to write N and O. And here we can see it contains 6 rows. N contains 6 column, O contains 6 column. Both N and O contain 6 row. So next I need to write the for condition for this like this. For I in range 6, because both alphabet contains 6 rows. And next in the inner for loop j in range, here I need to take total columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here I need to take 12, 0 to 12. Next I need to write the condition, if condition, where I want to print star. For example, I want to print in column 0, column 5. This will be the column 6 now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So column 6, column 11. Okay, like this. We'll treat this string as a single character and we'll write the condition. Okay, so this is the one way to write these names using stars. But if a name contains more than 2 characters, like 3 character, 4 character, the condition will be very lengthy. If condition becomes lengthy, it will become complex. We'll get confused with the condition, number of columns, number of rows. So there is another way to do this. That is, we'll write the code for each character separately. Next we'll combine them. First we'll write the code for N. Next we'll write the code for O. Next we will combine that. So we are discussing about that method today. So first I'll tell you what we need to write this program. So first what we will do is we will create a nested list. We already discussed about nested list in previous videos. So we need empty nested list for each character of name. So for example, my name is Amul. So I want to print this using stars. Then I need to create 4 empty nested list for A, for M, for U, for L. First step. The second step is we need to write the code for each alphabet separately. For example, first I need to write the code for A, next M, next U, next L. I need to write the code separately. And the third step is we need to combine that. So when we'll write the code, we'll store that in the list. As I said, we'll create 4 separate lists, right? For example, this is list 1. For M, list 2. For U, list 3. For L, list 4, right? So when I'll write the code for A, I'll store that in list 1. For M, I'll store that in list 2. For U, I'll store that in list 3. For L, I'll store that in list 4. Next, in the third step, we'll combine that list 1, list 2, list 3, list 4, and we'll print stars in required form. Okay, so these are the steps we need to follow. Alright, so let's begin with the program. Alright, so first I'll take string as no. Okay, so first we'll print no using stars. So I'll take that as str1. Next, here we can see this no contains 2 characters, right? So we need to create 2 nested lists. So I'll take nested list name as first one is print N. So I'll take nested list name as print N. Okay, you can take anything. In this I'll create Okay, so this is to create nested list. I want this many times, and the elements of the nested list will be empty string. Okay, so the nested list contains empty string. So now I need to check how many rows and how many columns. So for that we'll see the pattern right here. So we'll write like this. So first we can see n here. Okay, so it contains 6 rows and 6 columns. So first we'll concentrate about alphabet n. So it contains 6 row and 6 column. So here I'll take, this will be 6 and this will be 6. Okay, so here this will be column. Okay, it will print space in 6 column. This for loop is for row. So it will print space in 6 row and 6 column first. So now print n is a nested list. It contains 6 row and 6 column, and the element is empty string. So next I'll create the nested list for O. So for that I'll give name as print O, and here also same, because here we can see 6 row 6 column. Okay, so that's why 6 row and 6 column. Fine, right? So done with the nested list. Next we need to write the code for printing stars in N shape and O shape. First we'll print N shape. That is the comment code for N. So I'll take for I in 6. Okay, so I'll take 2 for loops. One is for row and another one is for column. This is for row and this is for column. Here we can see 6 row and 6 column. That's why I took 6 and 6. So we already discussed about how we can print stars in N shape. Okay, we already made a video on this. So I will give you the link in the description box. So I won't explain much about this. I'll directly write the code. So I need to see in which row and column I want to print stars. In column 0 I want star, in column 5 I want star, and I want star here. That is when column and row are equal. Here column 1, row 1, row 2, column 2, row 3, column 3, row 4, column 4, right? So I'll write the condition like this. Okay, so this is the condition. When column is 0, column is 5, or when row is equal to column. Here OR is the logical OR operator. So here any one of this condition is true, we need to print star. Now here we don't want to print star, we want to store star. So I'll store print n I j equal to, instead of printing star here, what I am doing is I am storing star in that nested list in I and j. I will be row and j will be column. So when column is 0, so sorry, here variable name is j, right? So here I'll take variable name as row. So for row I'll take variable name as row. For column I'll take variable name as column, and here I'll take row column. Fine, right? So when column is equal to 0, I want star. When column is equal to 5, I want star. Or when row is equal to column, I want star. I'll store that in this nested list. So next, I won't write the else part because now our list contains empty string. So here we took like this. When this condition satisfies, insert star in that places. So it will insert star. In other places already space is present, so no need to insert anything now. So we can stop. Okay, this is the code for printing N. So next we'll write the code for O. So I'll copy this. This is the code for O. So next here I need to write the if condition. Here row is same, column is same. 6 row and 6 column. Here we can see. So now we need to see in which row and column we want star, right? I want star in row 0, but in that column should not be equal to 0 and 5. Here also same. In row 5 I want star. At that time column should not be equal to 0 or 5. Okay. So here I'll write when row is equal to 0 or row is equal to 5 and column should not be equal to 0 and column should not be equal to 5. I already made a video on how we can print stars in O shape, and I'll give you the link in the description box. You can go and check. I want stars here in the column 0, column 5, but I don't want star in here. Row 0 and row 5. So column equal to 0 or column is equal to 5, and row should not be equal to 0 and row should not be equal to 5. If these conditions satisfy, then insert star in that row and column in the print O, because this is the nested list for O, to print O. So we are done with N and O. Next we need to print that. Third step, combine and print. So for this I'll take main for loop for I in range 6. It is for printing row. Okay. Next I'll take for j in range 6, because j value also 6, column also 6 for N O. First we need to print N, next O, right? So I need to print this now, print N. Here I'll print N of I j end is equal to empty string. This is to print the stars present in the print N nested list. Okay, it will print N first. Next followed by we need to print O. So that's why I'll take the for loop for O for j in range. Here also 6 column in O. So print I followed by j end equal to empty string. Next here print. This is for the new line. After each row, new line. It will print the print N nested list values. Next followed by this. After that it will go to the next row. So I'll show you the output. Okay, it will print no. So if you want space and all, you can do this. Here you can give space. Okay, double space, and I'll print space between each star. Okay, so here we can see. So here what we did is, first we created a nested list for N. So it contains 6 row and 6 column, contains empty string. Next we took another nested list for O, that is also contains empty string with 6 row and 6 column. Next here, okay, this is the condition to print stars in N shape. So here, instead of using print function and printing stars in that row and column, we are storing stars in that nested list. For example, when row is equal to 0 and here column is equal to 0, here we can see when column is equal to 0, we need to execute this condition. So when row is 0, column is 0. That is nothing but in the nested list, row 0, column 0, it will insert star. In that way, it will store star. Next here, this is the code for printing O. Okay, it also insert star in the print O nested list. It will insert star in required row and column. This is to print N and O after one another. First I want to print N, next O, right? So for that, first I'll use this main for loop. It is for row. Next, this is to print N and this for loop is to print O. And this will be the space between the N and O. Okay, so the middle space. Okay, so this is about this program. So next, so if you want to print Amul in the star shape, then we need to rewrite code again. Here I need to take Amul. I need to take 4 list now instead of 2. So here, alright. So next, here if you check, here it can contain, each character contains 6 row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. But column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A5 column 1 2 3 4 5. This is also 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This is also 5. This is also 5. So each character contains 6 row and 5 column. So here I need to change. This is for column, I told you, right? So 5 5. So 5. Okay, so we are done with AMUL nested list. We need to write the code for AMUL. So here this will be the code for A. So I won't explain anything here. This is for 6 rows and 5 column. So for A we need to write column 0. Okay, so this is for print A. So this is the condition for A. And here list name is print A. Next it is for M. So here in the M 5 columns and the condition is, okay, so this is for M. Next we need to write for U and L. Row is 6, column is 5 and the condition is, okay, so next we want for L. So copy and paste. So row 6, column 5 and we need to write the condition, right? For L, column is 0 or row can be 5. So this is for L. Okay, so these are the code for AMUL. We already discussed about this. Link is in the description box. So next, here we need to print that, right? So here 6 in 5 range. First I'll print A. Next I need to print M. And I need to print U, right? So copy 5 and here U. This is for L. And this print space between each character. Okay, so done. So if I save this and run this, rows is not defined. So I mentioned rows somewhere here. Okay, so here we go, Amul in stars. So in this way you can print names using stars. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.